Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can recover your Gmail and email account in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how we going to do that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to recover. So first of all, you just have to remind your email which you have currently email. Just like that, I have that email, Andrew William 02292. So I want to recover that email. So I'm gonna make sure that the email have a backup of my backup number, backup email. So make sure that after that just type an email in the sign in section and just going to next section and see that they need a password. If you don't know what's your password, so simply just tap on a forgot password and you see that they need a verification code on my recovery email. So I will have a recovery email which I use for the recover. So simply my recovery email is that I'm gonna type it and just send it, and then they get a code on my email. So I'm gonna go to the my Gmail account and just see my Gmail. On my Gmail, can I get a code on my personal Gmail or not? So I got a code on my Gmail, so I'm gonna type that. Code is 717206. So make sure that you have a backup of on your emails, on every emails. See that, check your contact email after 48 hours. So then for the security reasons, they need verify that this email belongs to me or not. So it needs a verification for 48 hours. After 48 hours, it go to login on your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.